Hello, what is up fellow Ashers? This is Ngrave and I'm back with another beatboxing tutorial, and today we'll be talking about an advanced technique called the advanced zippers. Sounds something like this. And one more special technique that I'll talk about in the end, so make sure you watch the whole video. So before moving further on this tutorial, I am assuming that you have a very good zipper sound and you have a very good control over your zipper, and it should sound something like this, okay? But if your zipper is not good enough or you don't know how to zipper at all, I have a separate tutorial on zippers. You can check that video, the link will be over here somewhere. Go check it out first. So firstly, we'll talk about this zipper. This one is really very easy. Just one, I would say, a trick behind it. Okay, I'll tell you about that later. So while doing zippers, I'm doing a sucker punch. Okay, sucker punch sounds like this, and when I do the zipper, it sounds like this. But doesn't that sound different? My sound is actually like this. So how to make it sound like that? Simple trick is that your tongue initially stays on the roof of the mouth like this, okay, and then you do the sucker punch while maintaining the zipper position. Easy. And again, I'll say one thing, that if you have no idea how to do sucker punch, I have a separate tutorial, the link will be over here, go check that out. And now coming to the difficult part, which is this. Actually, this one is also very simple, okay? If you remember, I have a video on my channel called 9 essential sounds that every beatboxer should know. Okay, that is the most famous video, or I would say the most viewed video on my channel, and it is all thanks to you guys. So in that video, I have talked about a sound called inward TKs, okay, which sounds like this. And that is it. I am doing inward TKs while doing the zipper sound. Simple, like this. And about the pitch thing, that my pitch is going higher by the time while I'm doing this sound, it is also very simple. I'm just decreasing the gap between my lips while doing the zipper, like, the gap between my lips gets, smaller and smaller by the time. And while doing the inward TKs, and this pattern, I'm giving more time to the T part. This is really very easy, and I hope all of this helped you. And now coming to the bonus part that I was talking about in the beginning of the video, I will talk about a combination of sounds which includes zipper, of course, and it sounds something like okay, I'm talking about this sound. This one is also simple, as I always say in every tutorial. Okay, what I'm actually doing is doing a sort of cuff, or inward shout thing, okay, like that. And then just after that, I'm doing a zipper, like the combination of two sounds seriously good. Okay, so you guys can practice that as well. And if in any case this video kind of helped you just a little bit, do make sure you hit the like button and share this with all your fellow beatboxers. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you hit the subscribe button as well if you have not hit the subscribe button yet. And Ash.